In this video, I'll show you how to log into Cash App. If you haven't already, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it. On the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter the phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up from that screen. After entering your phone number or email, Cash App will send you a code to verify your identity. Once the code is verified, you'll be logged into the Cash App account. You can now access your balance, send or receive money, and use other features available in the app. If your device supports it, you can enable fingerprint or face recognition for quicker access. And if you forgot your login details, you can reset them by clicking on the Help on the login screen and follow the prompts to recover your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.